Hi Aquarius, let's see your mid-February reading for you and your person. Okay, so what's going on with my Aquarians in this month, in this middle of the month of February 2021? What is going on with my Aquarians and their person? Please, my tarot angels, please guide me for my Aquarians this month. Let's see. This is going to be a general reading, my dear Aquarians, so it may or may not resonate with all of you, okay? So if it's not your story, do not try to make it yours. All right. What is going on with my Aquarians in the middle of the month? And happy Valentine's Day, Aquarians. Let's see, is this person your Valentine or it's just a person? Let's see what is there for my Aquarians this month, in the middle of the month of February 2021. Aquarians. Okay. Okay, so your feelings towards this person, strength, and their feeling towards you, Tower. All right. Yeah. Okay. So the issue in this relationship, Six of Wands. Okay. Your actions towards this relationship and their actions, Nine of Cups and the Knight of Wands we have. Overall outcome, Queen of Wands. Well, a lot of passion I can see was there in this relationship. You know, I would say was because because of these passion, because of these, you know, sometimes we have a lot of passion inside us, and sometimes what happens is because of those passion, those energy, because I'm seeing there's a lot of wand energy, you know, fire energies are there. So because of that thing, a lot of aggression also develops. So that is why I'm really getting aggression in this thing. I'm really getting a sense of, you know, I am this, you know, pride and all those things I'm getting in this relationship, because we have strength, Six of Wands and Queen of Wands. It tells us about pride and us and myself, you know, I am the queen and I am that thing, something like those kind of energies I'm really getting in over here, Aquarians. Let's clarify why the strength is here in my Aquarians energy towards their person. Nine of Swords. Okay, the strength and Nine of Swords, I'm really getting, Aquarians, that somewhere deep down you are literally, you don't know what to do with this person of yours, because it's looking to me that you are trying to maintain some balance within your heart and mind. You are thinking about this person in a very different way, but sometimes some things happen all of a sudden, and it's like, why I am with this person? I mean, he or she always, you know, they say me bad stuff, and it's not me. I'm not here to listen to this person. You can be dealing with a fire sign as well, so it can be Leo, Sagittarius or Aries. So you feel that, you know, because Leo, strong Leo energy is here, you feel that I am not this person whom they make me. Okay, so that is why you feel bad, you feel like you're good for nothing sometimes, because you need to have strength in you, you know, with the Nine of Swords and strength. I'm really getting that you have lost all the hope, you have lost that positive energy which you had inside you when you actually entered in this relationship. You still have those positive mindset, Aquarians, with this person. Somewhere you feel that they have, see, I'm really getting it, that they have always like used you. You feel that they used me, but they were like, whenever they needed me, I was there, but when they don't need me, they just make me out from their life. So what is this? Is this a relationship or what? Because it's like it's over for them. The Tower. Let's see why the Tower is here. Why the Tower is here for my Aquarians person's energy. Eight of Wands and Five of Pentacles. Yeah. So I'm really getting it's a lost communication, No talking, no messages, no calls now. So they have literally left you out in the cold. You were waiting for them to communicate with you. You were waiting for them to just give you text at least where they are, how they are. They don't even care about you, Aquarians. I don't feel like that. They don't care. It's really bad to see these energies sometimes. Six of Wands. Why the Six of Wands is here in the issue, in the obstacle for my Aquarians? Seven of Wands. Okay, Six of Wands clarified by Seven of Wands. What else? And the King of Wands. See, I was telling you that there are a lot of Wands energy, fire energy, passion, aggression is there. King and Queen of Wands are here. Well, this relationship was very passionate, to be very honest. It was like a lot of passion was there, a lot of enthusiasm was there, energy was there, fire was there. Okay, so that feeling where you have everything in the relationship, but still you think that why cannot this relationship move forward? You were fighting for them. You were fighting. You have fought with your parents. You have fought with your loved ones for this person. They actually made you feel, top of the world at some time. But was this energy just temporary? You are asking yourself why this person has developed so much ego, so much pride in themselves that they don't even care about me all of a sudden. Let's see why this Nine of Cups is here. Nine of Cups in your energy, your action towards this relationship. Knight of Pentacles and the Emperor. Well, you are still, so bad they have done with you, although, but still you are very positive in this relationship. You are literally asking the universe to help you. You are asking that, please I want this person. You are manifesting. You are showing gratitude to the universe that you have this person in your life. But does that gratitude even necessary over here, Aquarians, for this person? Because I feel that, see how you are literally going towards this person and you are just proposing them. You are giving that offer that, okay, take this pentacle or take this love from my side, but they are like rigid. They are like, no, I am not going to take your offer. I have something else in my mind. I have other things in my life. Okay, so you are not the priority for me at this moment. That is what they are saying. That is not I am saying. Okay, let's see the Knight of Wands in your reading. Why the Knight of Wands is here in the actions of my Aquarius person. Knight of Wands. Three of Cups. They are enjoying, Aquarians. They don't care at all. You are waiting for their messages, but they are going out, they are having fun with their friends, uploading, you might be seeing photographs in social media about them. They are enjoying having drinks with their friends, having fun basically. So traveling as well. So it's looking to me that they are not in that mode of contacting you at this moment. What is going to be the final outcome in this relationship with the Queen of Wands? Why the Queen of Wands is here? Why the Queen of Wands is here in the overall outcome, please? Okay. Well, I see that, you were feeling that this person will come to you, but I'm really getting that you are changing in your own perspective. This is not the family with this person. I don't feel that. You are becoming something else after you have changed, because you need a lot of strength to come back in your pace, Aquarians. And when you will come back, you will become a very different person. And after being different, you will meet a person of your kind. I see ending with this present person. But there's a new start. See the Fool with the Queen of Pentacles. There's a new start with someone else over here. I don't see that this relationship is going anywhere. it's more to me as a very beautiful and a loving relationship with someone else. But before that, you really need to do some self love. You have to maintain that strength which is there, and you have to come up with a very positive mindset, my dear Aquarians. Okay, so that is all from my side, Aquarius. I hope this helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.